So I did a 3-month test with my resistance bands, and in that test, I used this hook, or two of these really, but as you can see, this definitely ended up bending if you compare it to this one here. So in that, I went ahead and I actually tried to repurchase this one, so the one that bent, but I didn't realize I actually got extra thick hooks instead, which is actually a good thing because I think these could last much better in terms of doing another test with these to see if I'm able to bend it when using something like the serious steel bands. Now, I personally didn't even know these existed until they arrived at my house and I realized how much thicker these were than the originals. On the website, it didn't explicitly say that they're thicker, but I'm kind of glad I got these just in case I ever want to go back to the bands and try them out to see if these can last a lot longer. Do know I actually used these ones incorrectly. When you use them, you should be putting the band so it's either flat like this all the time or so that it's on this side of the hook, not on this open side. That way there's not as much tension pulling away from it in order to bend it. So with that, I wanted to kind of go over what I think of these setups and another one I kind of came up with if you were looking to upgrade the hooks on something like the Geku Resistance Bands bar to improve your setup. Now the new thicker hooks are the following dimensions. They have a length of about 3.5 inches total, with a height, when you set them on like a table, of 2.5 inches, a depth of the bands that can go in it of 2.25 inches, and a screw size of 1.25 inches. This is what screws into the actual bar itself. Now, one thing about these hooks is that they need to fit in the carrying case or they're basically pointless, as that's one of the major draws to using the Geku Resistance Bands bar. And they do, not perfectly, but they do fit in it. And do know these also weigh a bit more, so you're gonna make the case itself weigh a bit more and the bar itself. But these do fit in the case. What you need to do is make sure that when you put them in, that the middle bar, so the bar that has the actual connectors on it, needs to be in the middle, and you need to raise it up a little bit to slide the new hooks underneath, so that way it fits and allows it to close. So in the end, it was a nice surprise, and I'm pretty glad I actually got this, as I do have now the thicker version that should hold up a bit better. So if you're someone using really tough bands, I've seen some people comment, things like Serious Steel's a big one, Clench Fitness, Harambe, all those seem to be really, really strong, even X3 bands. So if you're using something like that, you might want to move over to a thicker hook for your setup. Now, I did come up with one additional option you could try, and that is to buy another thing from Geku, and that is these loop hooks that you can put on the end instead, which is then I'd take my triangle hooks from something like the Instar bar I had before, which can withstand a stupid amount of resistance, and then I'd hook them through the loops here. So I'll put something on screen that shows what this looks like, but just know you could use these as well, and they should be able to hold up as long as these loop rings they can put on the end don't break off as well. From what I'm holding here, they should hold up very well. It's just another option if you don't want to use these hooks in your setup. So my final thoughts are that this is pretty cool that they actually offer this. I wish they made it more apparent that these are the thick style versus the originals, but honestly, I think most of you, especially the ones on this channel who do use resistance bands a lot and want to look for a little upgrade so that they're not bending their hooks, can look for something like this where they're a bit thicker, and you can go a bit further with some of those stronger bands. Just remember, you set them up appropriately, unlike I did, so that you don't be like me and end up with this one, where you can clearly tell this thing was bent a bit. It's not terrible, it still works, but it is bent a little bit from when I got it in the past.